$2 million in sales, and it had nothing to do with my perfect script. Look, I have closed over $2 million in sales using just my phone and Zoom. If you want people to actually buy from you, stop worrying about the perfect script. Instead, focus on these 5 things. First, there are 3 must-haves. These make sure people clearly understand you. Number 1, volume. Speak up. If they cannot hear you clearly, the deal is already dead. Number 2, speed. Slow down. If you talk too fast, you sound nervous and unsure. Number 3, clarity. Finish your words. No mumbling, speak clean and clear. Once you master those 3, here are the 2 cheat codes that really help you close deals. Number 1, the pause. This is powerful. When you say something important, stop. Let the silence sit. The pause makes them think, and most of the time, they will speak next. Number 2, the drop. Control your voice at the end of your sentence. If your voice goes up, it sounds like a question. It sounds unsure. If your voice goes down, it sounds strong. It sounds confident. One sounds like a beginner. The other sounds like an expert. Master your tone like this, and you will win a lot more deals.